Hey guys, welcome to back to another video, Evil in Love. So today I was feeling a little bit thirsty, so I'm gonna do a smoothie, maybe a little chicken or mind melody or Kurumi. I really know, or a cloud. I think I'm gonna do a cloud because it's really basic, and I'm much better doing that. So let's get started. But don't skip this video, please. Comment down below if you like it, and subscribe, like, share to your friends and family. Yeah. So let's get started. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So this is how it looks when I just drawed it. I think you guys can't see so clearly, but I'm gonna make it better. So let's get to the eyes. So I've done one eye. Let's do the other. So this is how it looks with both eyes done. I think we should do the cheeks. So this is how the cheeks looks. So let's do the mouth. It's gonna be so cute. Super cute. It's so cute. Super. Sorry. I have to scream. I'm just so tiring. It's so hard. I'm trying to make it perfect so you guys like it. That's how it looks from scratch. Yeah. Let's do the ears. Oh my God, I did it so wrong. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Maybe. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah, I got it. Super cute. So, I think we're almost done. So let's just do a little fur. That's so cute. Let's do the fur a little bit more, just so. Here, that's how it looks. Right there is the fur. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's the final review of the smoothie. Let's do a little background, of course. I got one cloud over there. Let's do another one. See how it turned out. And let's do some grass. Here's the grass that I drew. it's not showing. I'm gonna make it show. Don't worry, I'm gonna outline it. So, we've done the grass. Let's maybe do some flowers. Perfect. And maybe a little stamp. Here's how it looks. Let's do one more at the other side. So beautiful. Here's how it's look on the other side. Sorry, it's pretty. Yeah. So I think we should just do a little bit of this. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. You see the little pencil? I'm gonna scrub you guys. So I got a little sparkles. Maybe just 4-star first. And yeah, that's almost done. If you're talking about that. And guys, so I just put this little thingy because I thought it was cool. So let's get on to the stars. And another one. And the last one. Extra details. Oh, hey. Whoa, so cute.